Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a diagram which shows a segment of a circle such that CD is perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. And given that AB equals 12 and CD equals 3, we have to find the diameter of the circle. Now, in order to proceed, we have to draw the circle first. That is the original circle of which the sector is a part. So let's draw the circle over here. So this is the original circle and this is the chord AB, right? And over here we have the line CD which bisects the chords AB. So let's extend CD right like this. So this is the center of the circle, and from here join this portion, right? So this is the radius of the circle. So this is the radius of the circle represented by R. This is the chord this is the chord A, C, B, and over here we have D. Now we know that when a line drawn from the center and perpendicular to the chord AB always bisects the chord AB. So AC will be equals 2 times of AB, or AC will be equals AB upon 2 because the line OD bisects the chord AB. So AC equals AB upon 2, where AB is equals 12 centimeter. So 12 upon 2, which will give us 6 units. So AC equals 6 units, given CD equals 3 units. So CD equals 3 units. Now let radius equals R units. So radius R is equals OA, and it is also equal to OD. Therefore OD can be written as OC plus CD. Now let OC equals X units. So but OD is equals R. So R will be equals OC, which is X, plus CD, which is given in the question as 3 units. Therefore X can be written as R minus 3 units. Now carefully observe, we are going to use the triangle OAC. So in triangle OAC, since it is right angled at C, so using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to have OA square equals OC square plus AC square. Now OA is nothing but radius of the circle, so we will have R square equals OC square, where OC is X, which can be written in terms of radius of the circle, that is R minus 3 whole square, plus we have AC. So AC will be equals 6 units, so it will be 6 square. Now let's expand R minus 3 whole square. So we will have R square equals R square plus 3 square, which is 9, minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by R, which is minus of 6R, and then we have 6 square, which is 36. So R square and R square will cancel out each other, and we will have 6R, right? We are going to have 6 so AC, what is AC? AC was given as 6 units. Okay, so 6R will be equals 36 plus 9, which is 45. Therefore divide both sides of the equality by 6. So we are going to have 45 upon 6, which can be written as 15 upon 2. Now diameter of the circle, will be equals 2 times radius 2R, which is 2 multiplied by 15 upon 2, which is equals 15 units. So diameter will be equals 15 units, and in the question we have been asked to find the diameter only, so this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.